Peace and love, and welcome to Saturday. I just want to spotlight this beautiful tree. It reminds me of the ocean because it has purple waves and turquoise blue waves and purple bed and turquoise bed and little turquoise crystals, glass charred crystals that surrounds it. Sculpted in silver wire, turquoise crystals, Swarovski crystals. Yes, you can bring the ocean to you. This sweet tree is hand sculpted by me, Rashida Sharif, and can be found on my website. Okay? Not just this one, but many others. Oh, my website, RashidaSharif.com. Look for the yellow logo. If you don't see the logo, it's not me. Okay? I sculpt these trees, sweet trees, sun, water, earth, and air, which is my ultimate inspiration, one crystal at a time. And you can play with the branches. When I say play, when you think of play, you're having fun. Okay? So you can have fun with the branches by adjusting them. It's very therapeutic. And you're breathing in the color when you're playing with them or adjusting them. Okay? This is my baby force. It's Saturday. Yeah, they're my babies. Every time I create a tree, it's a baby, a new birth. A new birth. Okay. Like me on Facebook. And follow me on Instagram and visit my website, RashidaSharif.com. Wow. Feels like I need to take a dip in the ocean. Ooh, the deep ocean. Ooh. Enjoy your day, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Peace and love. This is Rashida Sharif at RashidaSharif.com.